Undoubtedly, the hero, the unsung hero of this summer's WWDC was when Apple announced the Hearing Test app. Well, now with the 18.2 public beta that I'm running on my phone and also a firmware update on my AirPods Pro 2, I've now got the test in the UK, and I thought you might like to see what goes on. I recorded the session for you. It's really simple. The app asks you to go and find a quiet room to sit in and also to put your AirPods Pro 2 in. Once it's checked the fit of your AirPods Pro 2 and also the ambient surroundings of your room, it's happy for you to start. And all it is a simple beep test. You get about 3 minutes of beeps on each ear. It gets increasingly quieter and then much, much louder. And all you have to do is tap the phone every time you hear a beep. I got incredibly competitive about that. I don't know why. But anyway, I was pretty nervous because I'd never had a hearing test before, but luckily my results came back saying little to no hearing loss. I think a reading of anything up to 25 is allowed. Now, while Apple Intelligence forces and stutters into life, this is the stuff that Apple does that sets them apart. This is the stuff that makes them unique, and this is the stuff we should get more of. Have you done the test yet? And how did you get on?